gonna learn how to make stuffed vegetables. In this case, I have some Indian eggplants. I already pre-washed the eggplant. I'm gonna cut it in half, just like that. Put it in boiling water, no salt, no nothing. Boil for 20 minutes until they become nice and soft. So guys, after 20 minutes, as you see, they're very like mushy, very soft. What I want to show you is how I clean the inside. So you just get up a spoon and then just remove the part, whatever comes with that. That's all you got to do. Now you probably see that it looks like bluish. Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with the eggplant. It's just that the color kind of fade away with the boiling water. And now I need to fill it up. Now we're gonna make something extra. You know, if you don't like it, it's okay. You have to remove it. The only thing is that you're not gonna have too much stuffing. So green onion. This is a vegetarian dish. If you want, you can either put meat. Some people, they put ground beef. Other people, they use it just the vegetables. They put like onions and whatever. I just keep it vegetable. Okay? Then parsley and few leaves of basil. Okay? Perfect. Parmigiano Reggiano. Fresh garlic. Okay, mix it up. I'm gonna put an egg, black pepper, and some salt, breadcrumbs, allowed to soak all the moist. Okay, eggplant skin. This is actually one of the best part to eat. And start to fill it up. Perfect. And start to make just a little boat. Like everything that's nice and fresh. So today we learned how to stuff eggplant, and the next time we're definitely going to learn something different. Please make sure that you subscribe. It will encourage me to make more videos for you guys. So I'll see you next time, and stay safe and stay home. Bye.